Hey there, in this quick video I want to share with you how you can fix the Series 1 BMW if your windows are not working. What you can do. The first thing is that you want to start the engine, then you want to open the window all the way down and press and hold the down button for 15 seconds. So what you want to do is you want to locate the down button, then put it like completely down and then press and hold it for 15 seconds. When the 15 seconds are going to pass, then you just want to manually close it. So you're gonna close it, you're gonna close it, and then try to close it again and listen for a click from the mechanism. So close it and roll the window down completely, then attempt to open the third and listen to another click. So this is how you're gonna do it. If it didn't work out, try it out again. So again, you're gonna turn the engine on, you're gonna have it completely down, then you're gonna press the button down for 15 seconds. When the whole window is going to be down, hold, okay, and then what you want to do, you just want to completely take it up, and that's it, and it should fix the issue. So have a great day and goodbye.